During the launch of the COVID-19 vaccine in the state, Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA said that this is a historic day as the first phase of the vaccine would be rolled out to health workers, frontliners, and other citizens of the state in 10 different sites. While lauding the efforts of Indian scientists, he also stated that the nation as a whole should be proud of the fact that the COVAXIN has been manufactured in the country. He further informed that about 832 people would be vaccinated in the first phase, while the rest would be done in course of time.
To everyone, today is a very historic day in many senses. Number one is that we have been fighting COVID-19 for almost a year now, and this has really taken a big toll, I should say, on the nation, on the economy, and individuals' lives, of every citizen of this nation. And today, this vaccine rollout is a very, very positive step towards fight against COVID-19. We have been fighting COVID-19 in many ways, but this vaccination program and the rolling out of this is a historic day, a day to be proud, and a day for citizens of this nation and the world as a whole to feel confident that we will be able to overcome this very soon. Second, of course, it's a historic day because these vaccines which have been made in our country. And I think that has shown the power of the country and India and its scientists that we can also show the nation and the whole world of the kind of work that we can do to fight against COVID-19. So it's been a very historic day from these two perspectives. Number three, we should always remember that the fight against COVID-19 will continue. It's not that this vaccine will immediately take it away and tomorrow everything will be normal. Absolutely not. The vaccination program will take time to complete. Everybody cannot get vaccinated at the same time. Maybe this program will continue for 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year and even more. So therefore, I request and urge all the citizens of Meghalaya that we should not take it lightly. We should continue to follow all the norms and the precautions and the guidance that has been given by the health department and the government of India and government of Meghalaya. Apart from that, today we'll be having close to 852 people from the health sector who will be 832 from the health sector who will be immunized today. 100 of them are being done here in Neigrihms and in the rest in the different parts of the state. And I congratulate them for being part of this program and part of this historic day where they will be the first people to be immunized. And of course, as we had mentioned, it's a process. There are 2 shots to be given, and the immunity only comes in based on scientific records and everything. That immunity will come in only after approximately 45 days post the first vaccine that's given, and second will be given on the 28th day. So therefore, they also have to be careful, and I think all the necessary arrangements have been made. First phase, we will be immunizing the health workers, and in the second phase, the frontline workers, and in the third phase, 50 plus, and people with comorbidities will also be included, and that will be in the third phase. So that is the way to roll out, and as I said again, that is a process that will take time.